So the problem is which of the following are in GP? If they are in GP, write the next three terms. So here the given series is in geometric progression, then find the next three terms asked. So if the given list of the numbers are in GP or not, that means we have to check the common ratio of these numbers. If the common ratio of the numbers are same, then it forms a geometric progression. So first finding the given series to geometric progression. So the first term a1 is equal to a equal to 4 and the second term a2 equal to 8, third term a3 equal to 16. Now the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 8 by 4. 8 by 4, 4 ones, 4 twos, that is the first two terms ratio is 4 came. Now the third term by second term a3 by a2, if we done, that is 16 by 8. 16 by 8 is also nothing but 2. So now in these two ratios we get the same value. So here common ratio is same. So the given list of the number forms a geometric progression. So geometric progression forming purpose, next three numbers, three terms we have to find. So here up to our given fourth three terms. So the fourth term a4 is equal to a3 into r. So the third term a3 equal to 13 into r, that is 2 common ratio. So 13 twos, 16 twos, 32. Now the fifth term a5 is equal to the fourth term a4 into r. So the fourth term is 32 into common ratio 2. So 32 twos, 64. So the fifth term of this geometric progression is 64. Now the sixth term a6 is equal to a5 into r. The fifth term is 64 into the common ratio 2. So 64 twos, 128. So the next three terms of this geometric progression are 32, 64 and 128. By the general formula of GP, an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. If that one also we use, here also we get the same value. So a equal to 4 into r power 3. So 2 power 3 equal to 8. So 4 into 8, that is nothing but 32. In that model also we have a chance to solve. Given the second series of the numbers 5, 55, 555. So here the first term a1 is equal to 5, second term a2 equal to 55, third term a3 equal to 555. Now it forms GP or not. Purpose we find the common ratio. So common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to 55 by 5. 55 by 5. 5 ones, 5 11s, that is nothing but 11. And the next two terms ratio a3 by a2, that is 555 by 55. So 5 111s and 5 11s. So here the ratio is came as 111 by 11. Now here if we observed both the ratios, they are not same. So now the list of the numbers not forms geometric progression. Here common ratio is not same. So the list of numbers not forms geometric progression. Now the next set of the numbers given 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and so on. For this series the first term a1 equal to 1 by 3 and the second term a2 equal to minus 1 by 6 and the third term a3 equal to 1 by 12 given. Now here it forms GP or not purpose finding the common ratio. So the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1. that equal to minus 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. So now the denominator to fractional form there, that purpose we have to multiply with its reciprocal. So minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. So 3 ones 3 twos, that means it is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Now the next two terms ratio finding, that is A3 by A2, that is 1 by 12 by minus 1 by 6. So 1 by 12 by minus 1 by 6, that means 1 by 12 into minus 1 by 6 reciprocal, 6 by minus 1. So 6 ones 6 twos, so we get minus 1 by 2, that means here 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by minus 2 means we can write that numerator to only the negative symbol taking, that means minus 1 by 2. Now in this both two terms ratios same, so it forms geometric progression. So it forms geometric progression, the list of numbers. Now we find the next three terms. So the next term A4 is equal to A3 into R, that equal to 1 by 12 into R value minus 1 by 2. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 12 twos 24, numerator denominator multiplication. So the fourth term of this geometric progression is minus 1 by 24. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 into R, that is minus 1 by 24 into R value minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 24 twos 48. So the fifth term of this GP is 1 by 48. Now the sixth term A6 is equal to A5 into R. The fifth term is 1 by 48 and the common ratio R is minus 1 by 2. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and 48 twos 96. So minus 1 by 96 is the sixth term. So the next three terms of this geometric progression is minus 1 by 24, 1 by 48 and minus 1 by 96. Now here the next series of the numbers given 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and so on. So in this series the first term A1 equal to 1 by 2, second term A2 equal to 1 by 4 and the third term A3 equal to 1 by 6. Now it forms geometric progression or not, purpose we find the ratio, common ratio. R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. So here we have to multiply with its reciprocal, the denominator to, that is 2 by 1. So 1 by 4 into 2 by 1, 2 ones 2 twos, that means that is the common ratio is 1 by 2. So the next two terms ratio finding, that is A3 by A2. So the A3 is 1 by 6 and the second term is 1 by 4. So now the denominator 1 by 4 is in fractional form, so it's reciprocal to multiplication doing. So 1 by 6 into 4 by 1. So 2 twos 2 threes, that means here we get the ratio as 2 by 3. Now here both terms ratios observed 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 came. That means here common ratio is not same. So the given list of the numbers not forms geometric progression. So here common ratio is not same. So the list of numbers not forms geometric progression. Now the next series of the numbers given minus 2, minus 6, minus 18 and so on. Now in this series the first term A1 is equal to minus 2 given, second term A2 equal to minus 6, third term A3 equal to minus 18 that are given. Now here it forms geometric progression or not. So we find the common ratio. So R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Minus 6 by minus 2 is 3. 2 ones, 2 threes. Minus minus gets cancelled. Next two terms ratio A3 by A2 is equal to minus 18 by minus 6. So 6 ones, 6 threes. Minus minus here also gets cancelled. That is 3. So here if we observed both terms ratios are equal. So the given information forms geometric progression. So geometric progression forms means we have to find the next three terms. So the fourth term A4 is equal to A3 into R. So the third term is minus 18 into the common ratio 3. So 18 3s 54. So that is minus 54. Why? Because minus into plus is minus. So minus 54. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 into R. The fourth term is minus 54 into 3. So minus 54 into 3, it is minus 162. 54 3 is 162. So that purpose the fifth term of this geometric progression is minus 152. So 162. Now the sixth term A6 equal to A5 into R, that equal to minus 162 into 3. So minus 162 into 3, that is nothing but minus 486. Now minus into plus is minus 162 3 is 486. So the next three terms of this geometric progression are minus 54, minus 162 and minus 486. Next series is given 3, minus 3 square, 3 cube and so on. Now it forms GP or not, we have to check and find the next three terms if it holds GP. So here we have to take in the first term A1 is equal to 3 and the second term A2 is equal to minus 3 square. So it holds GP or not purpose, we will find the common ratio. So the third term A3 equal to 3 power 3. Now the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, that equal to minus 3 square by 3. So minus 3 square means it is nothing but 9. So minus 9 by 3 means that is minus 3 only. Next A3 by A2 checking, next two terms ratio, that is 3 power 3 by minus 3 square. So here 3 power 3 means 3 3 is there, here 2 3 is there. So both will be cancelled, means again remain 1 3 only, that is minus 3. So in these two cases we observed the ratio minus 3 is same. So now the series holds GP, geometric progression, therefore it forms geometric progression. So geometric progression holds means find the next three terms. So up to third term given. So fourth term A4 is equal to nothing but A3 into R. So the third term is 3 power 3 into R minus 3. So here 3 power 3 means its before symbol is plus. So plus into minus minus. 3 power 3 into 3 means it is nothing but 3 power 1. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. By that principle we can write 3 plus 1, 3 power. So that is nothing but minus 3 power 4. So the fourth term of the GP is minus 3 power 4. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 into R. Now the fourth term is minus 3 power 4 into R. Common ratio is minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3 power 4 into 3 power 1. That means 3 power 5. So the geometric progression to the fifth term is 3 power 5. Now the sixth term a6 is equal to a5 into r. Fifth term a5 into the common ratio r. The fifth term is 3 power 5 into the common ratio minus 3. So plus into minus is minus 3 power 5 into 3, that is nothing but 3 power 1, that is 3 power 6. So now the fourth, fifth, sixth terms of geometric progression of this series are minus 3 power 4, 3 power 5 and minus 3 power 6. Here given the next series is x1, 1 by x and so on. From this series the first term a1 equal to x given, second term a2 equal to 1 and the third term a3 equal to 1 by x are given. Now it is in the form of geometric progression or not checking purpose, we have to find the common ratio. Common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is nothing but a2 is 1 and a1 is x, that is 1 by x. Now the second two terms ratio finding, that is a3 by a2, that equal to 1 by x by 1. The third term is 1 by x and a2 is second term is 1. 1 by x by 1, that is nothing but 1 by x only. That means here both times the ratio is same came. So the common ratio is same. So the given series forms geometric progression. Geometric progression holds. That purpose we have to find the next three terms, that means a4, a5, a6. So the fourth term a4 is equal to, that is a3 into r. The third term is 1 by x and the common ratio is 1 by x. So 1 by x into 1 by x is nothing but 1 by x whole square. 1 by x whole square means it is in the form of a by b whole power m, that means a power m by b power m. A power m, that means 1 square. 1 square means that is nothing but 1 only. So x square. So the answer is 1 by x square. So fourth term of this geometric progression is 1 by x square. Now the fifth term a5 is equal to a4 into r. The fourth term is 1 by x square into common ratio r. So 1 by x square into 1 by x, that is 1 by x cube. Next, the sixth term a6 is equal to a5 into r, that equal to 1 by x cube into common ratio 1 by x. 1 by x cube into 1 by x is nothing but 1 by x power 4. Numerator product, denominator product. So 1 1 ja 1, x power 3 into x power 1. X means, so a power m into a power n, that is nothing but a power m plus n. So the powers 3 here and 1 here. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. That means 1 by x power 4. So the geometric progression of x, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x and so on to the fourth, fifth, sixth terms are 1 by x square, 1 by x cube and 1 by x power 4. Now our to given the next series is 1 by root 2, minus 2, 4 root 2, so on. Now it holds geometric progression, then it finds the next three terms. So here to the first term given a1 is equal to 1 by root 2 and the second term a2 equal to minus 2 and the third term a3 equal to 4 root 2. That are the given. Now it forms geometric progression or not. That one purpose we find the common ratio. Common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that equal to minus 2 by 1 by root 2. So in that denominator fractional form there means we have to reciprocal to multiply the numerator. So minus 2 into root 2 by 1. So minus 2 into root 2 is nothing but minus 2 root 2. by 1 means the numerator only coming, that is minus 2 root 2. Next, the third term by second term doing a3 by a2, that equal to 4 root 2 by third term, second term is minus 2. So 2 ones, 2 twos, that means minus 2 minus root, minus 2 root 2. So 2 ones, 2 twos, so minus 2 root 2 here came. Now both to observe minus 2 root 2 is the common ratio. So now the given information, the series forms geometric progression. So here the given information forms geometric progression. Now we have to find the next 3 terms. So up to third term given. Now the fourth term a4 is equal to simply nothing but a3 into r, third term into r. The third term is 4 root 2 into common ratio is minus 2 root 2. So 4 into minus 2, that is nothing but minus 8 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. So minus 8 2 ja is nothing but minus 16. So the fourth term of this GP is minus 16. Now the fifth term a5 is equal to nothing but a4 into r, fourth term into common ratio. The fourth term is given as minus 16 into common ratio is minus 2 root 2. So minus into minus plus, 16 2 ja 32 into root 2. So the fifth term is minus plus 32 root 2. Now the sixth term a6 is equal to fifth term into common ratio r. Now the fifth term of this GP is 32 root 2 and the common ratio is minus 2 root 2. So plus 32 into minus 2 is minus 64 into root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So minus 64 2 ja minus 128. Now the sixth term is minus 128. So now for the series 1 by root 2, minus 2, 4 root 2, the next 3 terms are minus 16, 32 root 2 and minus 128. Now the next series is given 0.4, 0.04, 0.004. Now it holds geometric progression or not. If it holds, find the next 3 terms that were given. So first the 3 terms writing a1 equal to 0.4, a2 equal to 0.04 and the third term a3 equal to 0.004. Now here it holds geometric progression or not purpose finding the common ratio. So r is equal to a2 by a1, that equal to 0.04 second term by the first term 0.4. So 0.04 means if point removed means we in that denominator we can write 2 digits before point purpose 100, 4 by 100. Now 0.4 means here point removed means 1 digit before point, that purpose we can write 4 by 10. So now here denominator to fractional form there, so it's reciprocal to we will multiplication do it. So 4 by 100 into 10 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled, 10 ones, 10 hundreds. So that is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. So here the common ratio is 0.1 k. Now the next 2 terms ratio finding a3 by a2. So the third term a3 is 0.004 given and the second term a2 is 0.04. Now same before model, if we remove the point here 3 digits before point there, so we can write 4 by 1000 by 0.04, 2 digits before point, so we will write 4 by 100. Now the denominator is in fractional form only, So now we multiply with its reciprocal. 4 by 1000 into 100 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. 100 1 ja, 100 10 ja, 1000. That means here also we get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. So in this both cases, if we observed the ratio is 0.1, same came. So now the common ratio is equal. So the given information forms geometric progression. So now geometric progression holds purpose, we have to find the next 3 terms. So up to the third term given. So now the fourth term A4 is equal to simply third term into common ratio. The third term is 0.004 into 0.1. 0.004 into 0.1 is equal to 0.0004. So here 1 4 is 4 and here 1 digit before point and here 3 digit before point. That means we have to keep 4 digits before point. So that purpose 4 triple zeros before point we kept. So the answer is 0.0004, the fourth term of GP. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 into R. The fourth term is 0.0004 into 0.1. So here 4 digits and here 1 digit. That means total 5 digits before point. So 0.00004. So 0.4 zeros and 4. Next the sixth term A6 is equal to A5 into R. Fifth term A5 into R. The fifth term is 0.00004 into 0.1. So here 5 digits before point and here 1 digit before point. That means total 6 digits before point. 4 ones are 4. That means 0.000004. So the sixth term of the GP is 0.000004. So now the series 0.4, 0.04, 0.004 at geometric progression to the fourth term is 0.0004, fifth term is 0.404, sixth term is 0.504.